Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set a recorded video as your ringtone. Okay, so first of all, make sure that you have a recorded video saved in your phone's gallery. So just record a video and check that it's saved to the gallery. So here is my recorded video. Yo, it's your boy the Android. And then go ahead and follow the steps that I'm about to show to set the video as your ringtone. Okay, so simply pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says sounds and vibration. Select it, then scroll down again and select phone ringtone. And here you will see video ringtones. Then choose the video that you have saved in the gallery. Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification. And that's all you have to do. Now I'm just going to call my number and demonstrate to you all so you can all see how it looks once it's set. Okay, so let's go ahead and call my number. Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my next video. Wow, check the moves out, guys. Check out the move. That deserves a like. Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my next video. I'm out. Deuce. Yeah, guys, so yeah, that's it for the video. That's how you actually set a video recording as your ringtone on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you all in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.